Hey, I'm Big Roo, so we're going to jump right in. The unit that I'll be rocking is from UNice. This is their Honey Blonde T-part wig. And so this is what it looks like straight out of the packaging. As you guys can see, I did go ahead and co-wash the unit off camera. It is a Jerry curl unit. It is a 13 by 5. So now I'm just spraying some leave-in conditioner into the hair and I'm just detangling it. Alright you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and put some micellar gel along my hairline, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply my wig cap. So once I get my wig cap on, I'm going to go ahead and apply some foundation to the wig cap, although you really won't see it, but I'm still just going to go ahead and apply. I cut the lace off camera and I'm going to go ahead and take the even spray, and that's what I'll be using to go ahead and lay down my lace. The T-part, it's not much lace around the T-part obviously, but it's really easy to apply and I like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply the spray, and then I'm going to go ahead and take this elastic band and put that along the hairline, and this is just going to go ahead and help, you know, melt down the lace and get it attached a lot better. I kept the band on for about 10 minutes and now I'm just taking a wipe and I'm wiping off any excess spray, and then I decided that I'm going to go ahead and do a few little baby hairs. So I'm just combing out a little bit of the hair, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut it and swoop it around. I'm actually using micellar gel to do this. And I'm literally going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side of my head. So next I'm going to go ahead and take my spray bottle and I'm just going to go ahead and wet down the hair, because obviously it has dried up now since I was installing it. I decided that I wanted to go ahead and shape up the hair, so I did go ahead and give it a blunt cut. I feel like it's going to frame my face a lot better. So that's basically what I'm just doing here, and you just want to gradually cut curly hair, but if you mess up it's not going to be noticeable because the hair is curly. So yes, I'm just cutting it and shaping it to how I want it to look, and I really love this shape. So I'm just going to go ahead and take some mousse and I'm just going to apply that all over the unit. And I also took some micellar gel and scrunched it into the hair as well. Decided to go back in and cut a little bit more, but if you guys want this elongated look, just add a lot of gel and it will stay elongated like this. But I decided to go ahead and do another baby hair at the front, so that's just what I'm doing now. Next I'm adding some concealer to the part. And this is just what it looks like from all angles. Super cute. I love the color. And this is just what it looks like. As you guys know, it does come in the middle part. So this is what it's given. And I think it's really pretty. I already know how I am. I gotta go ahead and put my hair up in a ponytail because I really don't like hair in my face. And you can definitely achieve a ponytail with this T part. You can also do a bun, but I opted to do a ponytail. You know, the part will show a little bit, but it's all good because it's not that visible. And I'm just wrapping some of the hair around the base of the hair tie. And this is how it turned out. Super cute. Hey, I'm Big Crew. I want to be here. So before we get into this video, make sure you guys turn on your post notifications. Follow me on Instagram at MonaXLBanks, because your girl is back posting on her Instagram. I took a little break, but I'm back. Go look at the pictures. I'm about to be dropping some heat on the Instagram. Okay? Get into it. But today, as y'all can see, I got a new look going on. I don't know if y'all seeing this at the beginning of the video. I don't know if y'all seeing this at the end of the video. But whenever you're seeing this, as you guys know, this unit is from UNice Wig. UNice or UNice? It's pronounced one or the other. So they sent over to me their Honey Blonde Beginner Friendly T-part wig. It is a 13 by 5 T-part wig. And it is in this beautiful honey blonde color. It is like highlighted. Y'all know it got some browns, it got some blondes, some honey blondes. It is so pretty. This is definitely friendly for us chocolate girls. This is chocolate girl friendly. So I got mine in 14 inches. And I did go in and shape this up for my liking because I feel like it needed to be shaped up. So it's probably in its curly state. It's probably given a 12 inch now. But if you pull it down, it's you know, it's shrunken. So if you pull it down, it's probably given 14 inches. But I needed to shape it up to frame my face a little bit better. So that's what I went ahead and did. And I'm glad that I did because it turned out really cute. So you guys will get to see how I cut it and everything. Honestly, out of all the T-part units that I've tried, this one is actually my favorite one. It was really easy to install. T-part doesn't have a whole lot of lace at the front. But the way that they constructed this cap is really nice. Like, it fits on my hair really good. Because I always say this in every single video. I sound like a broken record, but y'all know I have a small head. And it'd be hard sometimes to get wigs to fit my head. You know, there's not a whole lot of lace. There's just enough. I was able to do some little baby hairs. Now, they do offer this unit in a lace front. So if that is something that you're interested in, you could definitely get in a lace front. And they do offer this unit in longer limbs. Y'all know I just like short hair. Like, I'm literally like a short hair girl. Like, short to medium length hair, that's like really my thing. So cute to like, it's the shape for me, it's the color. Like, it looks really, really nice with my skin tone. And the thing about this unit, y'all did a very good job at coloring this unit, because normally when I get like blonde wigs and stuff like that from companies, I always have to tone it with some Shimmer Light shampoo, but I did not have to tone this unit, y'all. I literally co-washed it with some conditioner, and it is bomb. And surprisingly, this unit is bleached and it is really soft. It doesn't feel like straw. I'm really, really impressed with that as well. And the fact that it definitely held its curl pattern during their, you know, bleaching process or whatever they did to get the unit this color. Now it does give a little bit of shedding, so you will get some shedding, y'all know with blonde hair it does tend to shed some, but it's nothing bad or crazy. Like, it's not shedding all over my shirt or anything like that. But y'all really did kill this. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, this is chocolate girl friendly, because a lot of these units, blonde units, you be having to do some work to them. It's a T-part, so you can put it up in a ponytail in the middle like I did. Obviously it's parted down the middle, so you can kind of see my part, but I'm not really tripping. If you get the lace front, you won't have that problem. It is an affordable unit. Y'all know how it go. The longer the length, the more expensive the unit gets because the hair is longer. But in this length is really, really affordable. The 14 inch. Love it. It's gonna be some pretty hair for the spring too. Like, it's bomb for the winter, but this is gonna be really cute in the spring. Definitely cute for right now too, because it go with the season. Y'all know, like, this is really, it's giving what it needs to give. You know, you girl gotta go ahead and rate the unit. I'm giving this unit an A. This unit is bomb. It didn't give me any trouble. It was easy to install. It is so cute. So make sure you guys check out UNice Hair. Everything about them will be in the description box below, so make sure y'all check there. The unit that I'm rocking will also be in the description box below as well, so get you one because it is bomb. It is popping. You heard it here first. Y'all know your girl be telling y'all the truth, and I ain't gonna steer y'all wrong. The unit is very beautiful, very beautiful, very cute. Y'all know I wear a lot of dark hair, so this is something different. Like, I really want to get into wearing more like colored hair, even though like colored hair is not my thing, but I'm trying to, you know, I'm just trying to broaden my horizons. I love dark hair though, I do. But I'm just trying to, like, you know, step on my comfort zone a little bit more, especially going into the new year. But anywho, you guys, like I said, make sure you guys check them out. Everything about them will be in the description box below. The wig that I'm rocking will also be in the description box below as well. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see y'all on my next one. Bye.